Particularly sa atin sa Dreamscape.
Okay, sino next?
Okay, we are down to our last two kasi as per basta we're down to our last two. Who would like to ask the last two questions? I think si Alan,
Sancon?
ano nga, Star Photog. Tama, no?
Yes.
Wow. Charot.
Good evening na yata. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Alan.
Yeah.
Dumating ka dito afternoon ngayon, evening na.
Yung tanong ko lang for our veteran actresses like Angel, si Sir...
Angel, veteran.
Johnny,
Okay.
si Sir...
Kung nagne-name names.
yeah, basta yung apat po.
Joel Torres, syempre. Ang dahilan
Sir,
kung bakit may paghihiganti.
Tanong ko lang po, kasi parang halos lahat ng eksena nyo is parang napaka-intense at inaabangan, di ba po? Si Ma'am Tessie kanina nasabi niya kung ano yung memorable experience niya na talagang na-challenge siya. Sa dinami-dami ng mga ginawa ninyo pong eksena, ano po yung pinaka-challenging at hindi niyo po malilimutan na eksena na napalabas na rin before na kahit i-share naman na po natin? I think yung Sir Ma'am Janice, yung parang yung rape scene, di ba? Isa yun sa mga matindi, di ba? So how was it? How was that experience so far na nangyari po yung ganun?
It was a good taping day. It was a good scene for me to do. Ang kasama ko si General. It was so easy for both of us to do it. Siguro, importante is trust. Is the trust between us as actors. Kasi, pag sinabi mo yung rape scene, ano na kaagad yun eh, medyo delicate na ng konti. So, mag-wonder ko na, how far are we going to take it? But ang importante, you trust your director, you trust your co-actor, na alam mong hindi magiging pangit ang kalalabasan. And unang-una mong iisipin, this is TV. So, it won't go too far, definitely. Tsaka, wala, ganun. Kasama yun sa ginagawa natin eh. So, you just have to do it.
Lan, before magpunta rito, pasagutin natin kasi pilot week pa lang, talagang the powerful performance of Joel Torre. Talagang, sabi ko nga, nagtuloy-tuloy yung ganda ng review sa'yo and then unbelievable performance. So Joel, yung the same question doon na parang, would you like to answer the question?
Nagulat din ako, no? Kasi bago pa na sa script, lumabas na yung eksena na yun.
Correct.
Too early in the story. And I think it set the tone for the whole tone of the teleserye. Na aabot namin sa ganito. Na it's just that hello, hi introduction of characters. Pero it comes to a point na we could be killing each other. The violence would be that high. Sabi nga nila, sobra naman yun, ang taas na kaagad.
Naman.
Kasi nasa story. Kami as an actor, we just have to fulfill the obligation of the script. So pag nilagay mo doon, naghihirapan talaga ako nun kasi twice yet din nata na na-postpone. Pero after that scene, si Hazel, namin, EP, napakabait, takbo siya kaagad. Tito, baka-atakihin na kayo.
Galing.
So, but one of my memorable scenes actually, kung tatanungin mo, yung nag-uumpisa pala kami mga Avengers.
Oo,
yung
iniipon mo sila.
Iniipon namin sila. And I was working with young kids. No, I'm not kids, actors. So, hindi ko pa gamay. So, we set the tone sa, meron kaming mga yung tent. Sabi ko, instead of not doing anything, why don't we read our lines, get our characters right, and then by the time we go to the set, hindi na tayo mahihirapan. Kasi we are all prepared. And so we did that. Si Christian, si Jenica, and si Nini. So we were doing this and to find out na we were searching our characters. And through that, so nagamay na namin early on in the story. Kasi at saka nung binuo na namin yung Avengers na so we were connected to each other. Very important yung contact and transference and connection with your fellow actors.
Ma-reveal ba naman sa video what caused the death of your di ba? Talaga naman, Diyos ko na, ang nagpadala yung katabi mo, di ba? Tsaka si Jenica.
Hindi si Jenica yata na gano'n.
Jenica.
So, kinabahan din ako doon. Pero thank God we did it bago pa lang nag-ano ng story. And I think it set the tone for ganito pala ang aabuti ng Dirty Linen.
Correct. Tumatak
Thank
yung
you.
pilot week. Tingnan mo, tandaan nating lahat ng pilot month, ano. Miss Angel, bago tayo the other seasoned.
Ang dami. But I think...
Top trending ka kagabi.
Kasi ba naman namatay
I
si
know.
Ador. Love of my life. No, but tama si JT eh. Pag na-feel mo yung connection, hindi mo yun makakalimutan. With your co-actor, hindi mo yun makakalimutan. So, ang mga memorable sa akin was when I made that connection with my kuya, with our first scene together, dun sa Sabungan, na-establish namin yung, ano ba yung dynamics ano ba yung relationship
Oo nga,
nitong
no?
magkapatid na to. And then with my mom, when I finally found out, when I
Wow.
finally saw my father, that was last night, yung scene kagabi.
No wonder it
And
trended.
Yun. So, ang hirap nun, direct, natatandaan mo. Kasi sobra na yung iyak ko. Tapos, and then sabi ni Direk sa akin, can we do that again? Pero can you tone it down, speak clearer, and ganyan. And we did it again. Hindi ko alam kung mabibigay ko pa, but I don't know, maybe because yun na nga, parang Feliz was alive in me already. So, nagawa naman namin ni Mama. Yun. So, Ma.
It's your turn, Tita Tacy. Yeah, go ahead.
Hindi naman magagalit si Direk Ona pag nagsasalita ka ng, minsan, hirap na hirap ka dun sa ibinibigay niyang obligation. Di ba? Kasi
First
ka na
time,
naman
oh.
talaga yung magagaling na director. Ayoko naman ng director na hindi nabibigay ng obligation. Oh, hindi naman ako na-challenge dyan. Meron ding isang eksenang parang, ewan, di ata ako nakapag-lunch nun. Sabi niya kasi dun sa eksena namin ni Solomon ba? What's his name? Alejandro.
Solomon Cruz.
Solomon, ha? Okay, Alejandro. Tita, ganyan siya magbigay. Tita, tsaka English yan, ha? Tita, I just want you to feel it.
Why
And then,
not?
parang ang sinabi lang niya, di ko na rin maalala masyado, nirape ka dito. Di ba? Tama, direct? Nirape ka eh. O, at saka against you yan. I want to see that. Ganun, may mga director, I want to see your pain, your anger, parang mga 5 to 10 emotions all at the same time. Hindi ko na matandaan kung ano. Hindi ako na-rape sa buhay ko. So parang, hindi ko maisip saan ko huhugutin. Ano? At saka dito, remember, you only have 10-15 minutes to prepare because marami pa eksenang gagawin. So minsan, pagka hindi ka pa ready, gumaganon-ganon ng mga kamay ng mga tao or what, may dumadaan tao. Nagdadaldala ng crew na ayoko. Anyway. So sabi ka, direct actors queue. Ang inimagine ko na lang, pwede ko naman sabihin to kahit buhay pa siya. Iba yung hugot ko. Doon sa ex ko. Pinipigil ko ang luha ko ngayon, pero yun ang isa sa pinakamasakit. Na naramdaman ko, kinamit ko siya. Buti naman, napakinabangan ko siya. Di ba?
So yun ang
Kesa
backstory.
naman, inutil na siya. Oo. Na-inutil na rin kasi nga, na-stroke yun eh. Pero buhay pa. Anyway, highway. Wala naman akong kinakahiya. Alam naman ng lahat ng tao yun. Tsaka friends naman kami ngayon. Parang ginanong ko na lang, and I think I'm just sharing this technique, baka sakali magamit ng ibang actors, no? Kasi pagka nagmamadali ang tao, you could feel the pressure, di ba? And yet you have to perform that particular obligation given by the director. So sabi kong ganun, paano nga ba? Parang sinabi niyang, iiwanan na kita. Kasi meron na akong ibang pupuntahan. Pero babalik din ako. Talaga? PI na PI ka. Sinabi ko talaga. Wala ka nang babalikan dito, huhulog ko na hinulog ko siya sa hagdan. Pero hindi nahulog, taas eh. Oo. Pero, he actually left me, no? And so, I tried to recall that no matter how painful it was. And sabi ko, yun ang masahol pa sa rape. Sabi ko, gagamitin ko to. Yun ang ginamit ko. Direk, kung di ko nasabi sa'yo yun, sinasabi ko ulit ngayon. Thank you. Palakpakan nyo naman ako dyan.
Of course.
Joke
Thank
lang.
you for sharing. Joke or share?
Hindi, sabi ko palakpakan, joke lang.
Joke. Whew! What an afternoon with the Tessie Tomas. Miss J, seasoned ka na rin kasi 40 years ka na sa industry. Binilang ko talaga, kabilang kasabay tayo. Mag-50 na? Oh my God. That makes you, pa 60 na. Ganun. Hindi pa naman.
Teka naman.
54.
Teka naman. 54 ako.
Correct.
Pero
Bakit sinabi mong ano?
9 years old ako nag-start. So in 4 years,
Almost.
golden ko na sa showbiz. Oh my God.
At walang kupas ang nag-iisang Janice de
Hindi
Belen.
naman din.
Ang ganda na. Parang kayo, Sir Joel, din revealed agad yung ano, no? Alam ko namang malayo pa yung reveal ng Keme.
Siyempre.
Pero, ang bilis din ng revelation nung turnout ng twist sa'yo, Miss Jaya, no?
Alin doon?
Ang dami nga,
Madaming twist
nakakatuwa.
yung
Oo.
kwento ko eh. Maraming twist.
Na hindi
oo,
kayo
kasi
happily married, na
kailangan
tinatadyakan mo yung kajugjugan niya sa sabungan, di ba?
Oo, ang bilis nun. Alam mo, actually, hindi ko makalimutan yon. Kasi naglalakad nga ako sa patag, nadadapa ako. Nag-heels pa ako ng ganon. So, can you imagine yung ginawa kong lakad from the top down? Alam mo yung talagang gusto ko nang mag-collapse. Mainit na rin ang ulo ko kay Doc Direk Onat kasi take 5 kami doon. Yung heels ko, mamamatay na yung mga kuko ko. Pero sabi ko, push. You have to push yourself.
Grabe.
Pero
Tama
maganda
namin
naman
sa
siya lumabas.
tadyak mo.
Oo. At saka sinabi ko talaga doon sa girl, masasaktan ka, sorry ha. Kasi kailangan kailangan mong, hindi ka pwedeng mandaya, so kailangan mo pakita talaga na inapakan mo siya. So sabi ko talaga na, sorry, masasaktan ka. Ayun na.
Thank you, Miss J. Ito, before I give the microphone for the last talaga, I would like to ask si Elise Hozon, bago sa'yo yung character mo dito. We had a launch mo online, ni-launch namin yung character mo. Talagang lahat gulat. Kasi you were quiet sa career mo and then pumasok ka dito with that character. Elise, how was the preparation daw mo dun sa character mo dito sa Dirty Linen?
Thank you, Direk. Actually, yun nga po. That's why I'm very, very thankful for Dirty Linen, Dreamscape. Kasi after a short break,
Short but no? How do you say it?
parang a different turnover of myself. Nabigyan pa din ako ng pagkakataon bumalik sa pag-acting, and it was a hard parang pasok ulit for me kasi
hindi ganun kadali na
yes, kasi
take on the role.
ang tagal ko din pong napahinga, and
Sigaw ka ng sigaw kasi dito sa character mo dito.
and yung mind ko kasi nga po nasa parang motherhood. So nung pagbabalik ng work for me, tapos ito pa, it was a challenging one. Si Sophie kasi kahit short but ang entrada na dito, mabilis lang kasi 'di ba pasulpot-sulpot lang siya sa panggugulo niya. But it was very meaningful for me because I know na ito na din yung gusto kong makuhang role
You
moving
want it.
forward. That's
And
why yun nga po. That's why parang this is really also a blessing, a big blessing for me.
And now you're doing even more colorful role sa Pira-Pira
Isa pang
Sultan.
mahirap. Yun nga po.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Are you ready to have
Dreamscape.
fun? Ganyan, di ba sabi mo doon?
Oo
Charot.
nga. Ang nung jump
I know.
Iba.
Yung F-sin, yung gano'n. Yung,
Yeah.
MJ, go ahead.
Last question na tayo.
We're down to, dalawa pa daw. Kasi
Okay.
Actually, someone made it kasi gusto niya talagang makarating dito sa last hura ng Kaya lang, is he here yet? O sige, he should be here anytime para naman hindi malungkot naman on top si
Ay!
He made it. Wala pa. Oo. Ayan na ba?
Ayan na daw.
Bigyan niyo rin naman ng pa-music. Oh my God! The one and only!
I-dedicate na natin sa kanya ang last 2 questions. Mr. Evie Kizon!
On cue!
Stand in the middle first. Evie, sa gitna muna.
Picture daw muna sa gitna, the
Sa
usual.
gitna, please.
Bakit bumagets? Yung mommy, look at him. Alright.
Alright.
Epi,
Okay.
greet everyone.
EJ, bago natin pabatiin si Epi. EJ,
Ay, okay, ikaw pala. Kala ko may kaka-host akong
Akala ko,
babae.
may
PJ,
Ako rin po.
I just have to say, I think the whole cast will agree. You know, if there's one person who brought everybody together, it's Epi.
Oh. Janice,
Dahil
please
ba huli
elaborate.
ko, ganun?
Elaborate.
Kasi siya yung unang nag-e-effort to talk to everybody, to bring us together, to do things, to eat together, yung ganyan. Siya talagang he brought everybody together.
Pero dinout kasi agad siya ng brother niya, alam mo yun, kaya medyo umano. Go ahead, Kuya Epi. Greet everyone.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I'm sorry I'm late. I came from work from Tagaytay.
Wow.
Yun na nga, hindi mo, yung ano ko, sa helmet ko, minutor ko siya. Parang kinuha ko ng 45 minutes ng Tagaytay. Parang gano'n. Parang mahapon dito. Anyway, but I'm here, and it's good to see, well, Mama, you're here. Everyone, Direk! It's good
Epi,
to see
kanina pa
everyone.
sila nag-share ng mga unforgettable moments nila.
The dirty linen
Uy,
journey.
nag-sign off na si Adol na nasa
I
kabaong na.
know.
Nasa kabaong na siya.
What's your
Nabibil na.
unforgettable?
Unforgettable. Well, there's a lot of scenes that I had with Angel, of course. Yung first day namin sa house namin, and then we were looking at each other, will this work? Diba? How are we gonna fall in love with each other in this span of time? Diba? Kasi parang second taping day yata yon. So that's one. And of course, working with the Fieros. Iba yung working with the Fieros with Kuya Carlos, with Mama, diba? Sila Aidan, and Ate Janice. Grabe. I mean, you have to be on your toes. Yung mga dinner scenes na ayaw nila akong paupuin sa mesa, pero gusto kong makikain, yung mga ganon. And then, of course, working with with the Avengers, led by Kuya Joel, yung scene, yung last scene ng torture, yun, intense yun. That was a very intense scene. So, yun yung mga talagang hindi ko with Christian, di ba? So, yan yung mga eksenang talagang tumatak hanggang ngayon pag pinanonood ko, wow. Ang galing ng mga kasama ko. Gumanding ginagawa ko kasi ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko.
Angel, kamusta kayo sana si Epi?
Ay, Diyos ko, wow. Epi, Angel,
it was so easy to work with Epi. Kasi nga, he makes it very easy. Siya yung unang ko-connect sa'yo, hinawakan niya yung kamay ko, we'll make this work. Tapos he just stared into my eyes. I'm so in love with you, I'm so in love with you, I'm so in love with you. Kasi ganun dapat yung mapalabas namin na iba yung ibang klase yung pagmamahal namin. Purot dalisay, ganon. Wagas at dalisay yung pagmamahal namin.
oo.
So, and I think that carried us through the whole series. So, thank you for
I
that.
think niligawan ko siya niligawan ko siya in 2 minutes. Kasi magte-take na kami. Hey, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Hanggang nakatingin ako sa kanya, sabi siya, Angel, okay, we're in love. Diba? So, parang, we have to make it work. Diba?
We have time. Can you do that in 2 minutes? Thank you, Epi. Salamat. Okay.